let's take a look at triggering a single event versus multiple events. So this is a single event where we are pushing on main. I do want to point out that I'm using this like expanded syntax or the most verbose syntax. I generally use that because I don't have much luck with the more shorthand syntax, but understand you could have just done like, you could have done on push here, and then it would have worked the same because it would have defaulted to the main branch anyway. So understand that that is an option. You didn't have to do all of that, but I'm going to try to use the expanded syntax as much as I can because I prefer it. Okay. But anyway, the point is that when a push on main occurs, then it will trigger that job. You can have multiple events. So in this case, we have push, pull request, and release. So what happens when you have multiple events? Well, if you specify multiple events, only one of those events needs to occur to trigger your workflow. However, if multiple triggering events for your workflow occur at the same time, multiple workflow runs will be triggered, okay? So hopefully that makes sense. The idea is that if you did a push, a pull request, and release, you might see 3 runs, okay?